Introducing OB7, the revolutionary cobot that needs no programming. The CNC package is specifically designed for the machine shop environment, but is easily modified to meet your needs. OB7 ships directly to you, requires no loading dock or forklift, and can be assembled by your employees in under an hour. OB7 rolls easily right to your machine and locks into place with built-in casters and leveling feet. Next, you'll want to connect your machine to the robot and accessories. The CNC package includes the GEI, a general equipment interface that hooks up simply to your machine. You can control a wide variety of accessories, including solenoids and actuators, and our pneumatic control valves. Connecting OB7 to your Haas machine is easy. For newer Haas machines built after 2022, you can use a simple Ethernet connection. Many cobots have trouble connecting to machines built before then, but OB7 can still work with earlier Haas machines. You'll simply use the D25 connector included in the CNC package. And as your jobs change, it's easy to move OB7 from one machine to another, regardless of type or brand. One thing that sets OB7 apart from other cobots is that OB7 has 7 axes. This flexibility allows OB7 to maneuver and work in tight places. But the main difference is that with 7 axes, you can position the robot next to the door of your machine. 6-axis robots must be positioned blocking the door in order to reach inside. With 7-axis, OB7 can reach around and into your machine, creating a large work area and leaving the door area open for setup and part checking. The CNC package comes complete, a real-world turnkey solution designed specifically for the machine shop environment. The air vise comes with the package and plugs right in. By automating the vise, OB7 can load and unload parts, as well as reposition them during multi-step machining operations. OB7 cobots are designed and built in the USA. You can be confident that we have you covered with direct factory support and service from US-based product specialists and engineers. With OB7, there is no programming. Setting up a job is easy. Built-in assembly table makes setting up jobs fast. Really, any job is just a series of tasks. To add a task to the job, simply drag it in. You simply show the robot what to do using the control handle. As you show OB7 what to do, tasks, which we call tiles, are automatically added to the job. It's all teach by touch, and the robot remembers for future jobs. Some cobots require machines to have an auto door. OB7 works with or without an auto door. OB7 works either way, and can even open and close the door to your machine. Any task you show OB7 is saved as a tile, and can be reused in future jobs, even opening and closing the machine door, and pushing the start button. OB7 can perform secondary operations while waiting for your machine to complete the cycle. For many jobs, deburring and gluing, packaging and assembly can fit right in. Extra work completed during the cycle saves you money. OB7 sets up fast and is safe around people. OB7 works tirelessly. Handles the boring and repetitive tasks, which free up your skilled employees to work on higher value aspects of the production. Many owners have a single OB7 operating 2 machines. OB7's a highly flexible production tool, one that will keep your machines running lights out 24/7.